Cue the drum roll, folks. Today's intriguing snippet is the speed of a sneaker. Yes, you heard it right. In the world of sports, speed is everything. But have you ever wondered how fast a sneeze travels? Well, hold on to your hats because a sneeze can reach a staggering speed of 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most sports cars. Imagine if we could harness that power. Maybe we'd have sneeze-powered tennis rackets or baseball bats. The possibilities are endless, and so is the fun when you dive into the world of fascinating facts. So, don't forget to tune in tomorrow and every day for more delightful bites of knowledge. Hit that subscribe button and let your curiosity be your guide. Until next time, keep those brains buzzing.